Heading down the road. Going closer and closer we are getting. How many hours?
7.
7 hours. Man, oh man, 20 minutes later, still doing it. Crazy. Look at it, all that chunk's coming out. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Jesus. Look at it.
That's a lot of shit, man.
That's a lot in there. "30 minutes after, it's all still coming out. I can't believe it." Huh.
A lot cleaner than it was, though.
Oh my goodness. Look. I thought we were done.
No, I needed some more money. Wow.
That's a lot. Look at it, it's still coming out. Getting on the road wasn't an easy thing, but you know, when you buy these RVs, there's always some issue, always some problem, always something going on. You know, you just saw the video with the hot water tank. I mean, that was absolutely disgusting, and who had it before never really ever did anything to clean it out. They never cleaned it out. I don't think ever. So that's why that looked the way it did. Then we had an issue with the box in the back. I go to go plug it in. Boom. Popped, burnt, almost caused the fire. Had to get that replaced before we can leave or go anywhere. That was a main priority. That set us back about 3 days, 3-4 days. And I had all the tires speed balanced, and then next thing you know, the tires were just like, it felt like it was just going up and down a little bit. I go take it back to the place. They peel the same tires. One tire on the front is not completely round, so you replace one, you got to replace the other. Just the way it works. So I had to replace both tires up there. All the other ones were supposedly fine on the back. They feel fine. They're good. They, you know, that's a win-win. Now, before I could change the tires, I had to get the alignment done. And I go over to get the alignment done, and the RV is crooked. It's dipping towards the driver's side front. So the alignment guy says you have to go over to another place to get that straightened out, because I'm not going to align that. That's dangerous. So I had to go to another place to get that done and get the whole RV straightened out. They had to put helpers on the leaf springs or whatever they did. It's just something, always something. You know, it's just crazy. It just, one thing after another and another and another. It's just what's happening. I mean, this RV has 6,400 miles on it. That's it. 6,400 miles. I don't think it was at 6,400 miles that the engine's bad. No, it's not. I had the engine, did have the engine tuned up. I had the generator wasn't staying running. I had that all tuned up. It was pretty much the fuel filter with that, but I had everything tuned up anyway. Everything under the engine I had all redone, complete tune up. Radiator flush, everything. It's just non-stop money pit. I'm going to be honest with you, money pit. You would think 6,400 miles, it sat too long. That's the problem. It totally sat too long. Somebody had it just sitting. I mean, it's a 2004. You know, that's what it is. I get it, but it is what it is. I'm not going to cry about it. I'm just going to do what I need to do and keep it moving. That's all I can do. I'll show you a couple more things that we done to the RV, and then we will get on the road to the East Coast. That's our goal. All right, so today we're changing the batteries on the RV. We had to do that because the batteries were so bad. They were 2015s. So the house batteries, and we're also going to change the engine battery as well. That needed to be changed as well. So just make it fresh, make it good, so we don't have to worry about it. I got my boy Dave here. Dave, yep, Dave is a big fan of the, as we call it in the East Coast, the oodles and noodles. So he loves ramen noodles. That's his thing. But he's helping us out and making sure that the batteries are correct, so we don't have a kaplooey. So this is another thing that had to be done to the RV. It's just the stepping stones we got to go through just to make it right. So here's what we got. So we got 12-volt batteries here, and we're going to hook them up parallel, okay? So these are not 6 volts. 6 volts will be a different story, but we're going the parallel way here. For some reason, my RV has 2 positives. So you get a positive here and a positive here. Usually it's just 1 positive, but this has 2, and here's our negative here. So Dave already begun the process of doing that. We'll get you another shot of the batteries when it's 100% complete. These are the old wires that I put on just for the meantime. Look at that. So I had to order the other wires on Amazon. So you can get these wires right on Amazon, and I have the description link below for these wires that I bought. So these are nice and thick, really good. These are actually a Walmart special, but they worked, and they're thick also. But these are a lot thicker, a lot more nicer. That's why I got these. And they're color ones, so those were all black. These are red and black, but these really came out nice. So let's rock and roll, get this done.
So what I'm doing now is I'm just tightening up all the nuts on here to make sure we got a good solid connection. The last thing you need is one of these things coming loose, and then you're out on the road and you don't have any power.
It's the worst.
But we don't have to tell the RVing community about that. They probably know, right?
That's the truth. Beautiful.
Sweet.
Good.
So what we've got the 2 positive connections coming into different batteries. So I got one going to here, and then one going to this one back here, and then the negative connection is coming here. And they're all basically connected in a loop. Okay, so we got this one is split off to this battery, and then the positive goes back to this battery. Same thing with the negative. Negative goes to here, to back here, okay? And then from back here, it goes back over to there.
There you go. That's the diagram.
She's all good.
She's all good. If you guys want to get pause that and take a picture of it so you can see how to do it.
Now again,
there you go.
Just a reminder, this is in parallel. If these were 6-volt batteries, we'd basically put them in serial. So we would connect a positive and a negative together on 2 of the batteries, basically create 2 separate battery banks, right, and then go parallel with it.
There you go. Time for a little spray. Keep that corrosion off. That's the stuff we're using right here. That was actually given to me by a gentleman over at Camping World. So
Yeah.
thank you.
Oh, now, when this, when the red here turns clear, then you reapply.
Gotcha.
You spray it again.
Boom. Learning, learning.
It says it on the instructions too.
This is Tanya's first time driving the RV.
Not an RV.
Well, not RV.
Big ass.
This RV.
Big ass RV.
Yes.
Not the RV that we owned before. That was like
Walking apart.
This is nerve-wracking.
Ah, come on.
It's nerve-wracking.
You're behind. Doing good? Doing good.
White knuckles.
White knuckles. We're El Reno, Oklahoma. That's where we are. And we just stopped at one of my favorite places that I love to go. And that is the Waffle House. Yes, the Waffle House. I love my waffles, but I do love my pancakes too. So Waffle House it is. So we're going to go have our waffles and enjoy that. That's a must.
I ain't eating no waffles.
Ain't no waffle. I don't like waffles. Boom. Here's the menu. The Waffle House. You can choose what you want.
You want coffee?
You know what? I'm an all-star, so I think I'm going to go with this whole thing right here. Yes. Gotta get some of them grits. Not bad. $7.50. That's where she cooked her waffles. Look how nice. There's no waffles out.
What?
Cooking the waffles. Yeah. Hey, here's the bacon. Nice. Perfect.
There's,
Here's the waffle. Wait, no, it's
you want Tabasco sauce? Chili,
Nothing.
Anything?
So Mama got the burger in the Waffle House. Nice. Waffle. Some mayonnaise.
Thank you.
Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very good. Just got out of the Waffle House, and it was absolutely delicious.
I'll never be a fan.
She's not a fan. I love the Waffle House. That's all that matters. That's what I like, cuz. That's all that matters. That's why we'll go there again and again and again and again. Again. Love the waffles. All right, gonna hit the road. Looks like we have about 1,500 miles to go to hit Wildwood, New Jersey. Yep, so keep on RVing, cuz. If you'd like to support our channel, check out the links below for our Patreon page. You can become a Patreon. Also, we do have our new merch store. So check out all the different merchandise that we have. We're very happy with that. We absolutely love it. It is amazing. And the logo that we actually got made was by a gentleman named Eric. He did an excellent job. His link is below also. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see all the upcoming videos that we will be posting and our adventures that are coming up. All right, guys, we will talk to you soon. Take care. And remember, don't put off tomorrow what you can do today. Remember that, 'cause